May God's peace remain with you all. I feel from God this morning to read a very sublime psalm, moved, inspired, revealed by God to the prophet David, the most wonderful and famous of the Psalms, Psalm 23. In the title of the word, it is written, "The happiness of having the Lord as our shepherd." We read with the help of God and the guide of the Holy Spirit of grace. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest the table before me in the presence of mine enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Church of Jesus Christ, chosen people, redeemed, separated in waters, to serve the God of Israel in holiness, peace, and consecration. May this sublime psalm brighten your daily work of struggle, of fatigue, of war and earth. But know one thing, you are very special to God, and you are very special to the church. God bless you all.